All right, I'm bringing y'all with me. Man. This is gonna be my first startup of my truck is back. Here it is. Now, a lot of you saw it. I'm gonna throw some pictures in there when it came off the wrecker. She is just about done. Okay. All right, I'm going to take it to the glass shop now, and I'm taking y'all with me. Okay. Put some new to me, bigger tires. Got new rear shocks. You see them components in there? Okay. Here we go. Oh man. Now these seats have always been covered. So the seats should technically look just like new. They've always been covered. All right. Let's see how she sounds. Let's see. Oh boy, she got AC. Oh boy, she coming out cold too. Don't sound bad, huh? Can y'all hear that hum? Okay. No lights. Over half a tank of gas. Now I have to bring it back after they replace you see where? All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got that glass too. Oh, man, I'm forgetting. You got to put the glass in the truck. I got the rear glass. Let's get that loaded. Got my rear glass here. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure this out there. Man, it's been so long. Boy, I tell you, it's been a long separation. Oh boy, okay. Let's see. Get everything adjusted here. Forgot how everything. Okay, there we go. Okay. How do I get the back of the seat? Okay. That's the 4-wheel drive shifter there. Somebody been smoking in here. Cup holder still work. Oh my goodness, is the clock got the right time? Let me check. No, that's a little off. Okay, does the radio still work? Okay, still got radio, cassette, and a CD. Y'all laughing, right? But I still have some cassettes. Some of y'all don't know about that. I'm gonna leave this in here. I'm not putting that. Don't stop that. Big Son upgrade. No, I'm not upgrading because I have cassettes and I'm gonna play them. Now y'all joke me later. Okay, get my mirror adjusted there. Got temperature on the mirror. Let's see. I guess that don't work, do it? Nah, that ain't working. Maybe it's got to reset. I don't know. Okay. All right. Let me turn that. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Let me turn that radio off. Here we go. The first drive. Oh my goodness. We're only going around the corner to the glass shop. Oh boy. Man, it's been a long time. Okay, the brakes feel good. Okay, let me see if those power mirrors work. Alright. Nah. Oh, yeah. Well, they go up and go down, but they won't go in and out. Let's see about this one over here. Okay, the driver's side one do everything. All right, I can live with that. Oh boy, I tell you. Let's see. We're only going to the corner. We'll walk back. Just gonna drop it off, and when we pick it up, see, that's where the bullet went through the windshield, and I don't know if it came through the back to the front or what, but so we just going right in here to the glass shop right here, and we're gonna go ahead and drop her off, come back and get it, and that'll be a wrap. Okay, let's get. All right, guys, dropping her on off. We're gonna take the walk on back. They're gonna get the glasses in, and I'll bring you back on that part. Hopefully we'll take it home this evening and get to start cleaning it up. All right, so let's get to walking. We don't have that far to go before we get back to the car. Get a nice little morning walk. Get back, get the van, get the trailer, get some work done. Hoping I can get back up here. You know how it is with traffic. Get back up here before traffic. I'm over in Virginia Beach, those of you who are familiar with the area. All right, let me get some peaceful walking, because some of y'all nosy. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. Oh boy, look at here, look at here, look at here. Don't that look better? Oh, we getting so much closer. Look at here. Look at here. No more bullet holes. All right. So, guy want me to bring it back, because he's going to change the oil, which I could have done, but and some vacuum lines he's got to deal with. Oh boy, so maybe we can work on getting her cleaned up. Yep, she's a little dirty, but it's a workhorse. And yep, it's a workhorse, but boy, look at that. Oh boy, I'm feeling some kind of way. Let's see what she sound like here. Oh yeah. All right, we getting closer. It won't be long. It is done. It is done. Ladies and gentlemen, after what, a month, roughly, a trip from Baltimore back to Virginia Beach, final destination Chesapeake, Virginia. The 2002 Toyota Tundra with 300,000 miles is finished. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Because this is bittersweet. This is almost a departure to what we have all learned and loved as the Big Sun machine, and recognized all across the globe for that 1997 green van. And she may be taking a trip goodbye in the next 2 weeks. But right now, let's focus on the Tundra. So the big question, those of you who've been following me, would the box fit? Well, where there's a will, there's a way. Oh, see, this need to come down a little bit. Oh, a little persuasion there. Well, I need two hands, I'll do that later. Close up that gap. But here she is. Here she is. It's finished. Now, you all know what it looked like when it arrived on the trailer. Windows, back window missing, front window had a bullet hole, all tires were dry rot, rear shocks were gone, reverse light out, front end devastated. But look at her now. And look, before I get started, let me show y'all something. I bet there's none of y'all out here that have a truck with 200 to 300,000 miles, seat look better than this. Let me show you something. Look at that. 300,000 miles, and look at these seats. I'm gonna tell you why. Well, you probably already figured out why. But look at this interior. Now, it's wiring on the outside. My son had it for the last 3 years, but no butts, no booties have been on these seats. When I bought this truck, I put these seat covers on it right here. That has all that has sat on these seats has been covered since the day it was bought. Look at that. None of that. You know where it wear right there? That's right. No butts. Boy, I know y'all gonna have a good time with that. No booties on this seat, on these seats. Look at them. No stains, no spots. I know, that's a small thing, but you know, I had to rub it in. But here she is. She ready to go to work. I just cleaned up a little bit. Oh, I know a lot of y'all. You want to know what she sound like, don't you? All right, let me let you hear it. Oh. Yeah, let me let you hear it. This the V6 now. Don't that sound good for 300,000? I know some of y'all don't believe me. Look at that. Can you see that? Do that register? Oh, let me see. Oh, well that. Well, y'all just got to take my word. 300, 423. That's what's on the clock. All right. AC will blow you out of there. Boy, don't that sound good? Oh, let me pop the hood for you motor. There she go. There's that famous 3-4. Buffed out the headlights. Now in the state of Virginia, you have to have an inspection. And I got to get it inspected. So I just wanted to show y'all where we at and close out this truck series. A lot of you been asking about that toolbox, and I think it was assuming, I believe you told me it will fit. You're one of the few that say, hey, it should fit. Now I stuffed it in there. I mean, I don't know if it's bending or not, but hey, it's in there, and she ain't coming out like talking about it. I guess I need to run some screws through it or something. I don't know. What? That's it. That's a wrap. Next time you see her, she'll be in videos hooked up to the trailer. I'm saying maybe that should be next week. I gotta see what day I can get it in and get the inspection done. But she should pass with no problems. All right, guys. I've been looking forward to this, putting this back in action. Yep, it's been a long time coming.